Hey guys, finally he sleeps here, back again with another GearHeads video. Today we're going to take a look at the Innova Car Scan Mobile. This is an OBD2 reader that connects to the car and then connects Bluetooth to your cell phone so that you use the app in the cell phone to do the reading. Smaller, it's a lot easier and compact. If you want to keep something in your glove box to be able to see it, we're going to go ahead and open it up and see exactly what we're dealing with here. Some instructions. Read before use. Pairing is done automatically when Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile phone. So no setup or pin required. So here it is. Let's check that out. That is tiny. That is all it is. So this is your OBD2 scanner. So we basically just plug this in and we download the app and check it out. Now the project truck, after taking it to Cars and Coffee last weekend, did throw code. I have a suspicion on what the code is, and I'm hoping it's just an O2 sensor. So let's double check and we'll see how hard this is to use and what it is. All right, it comes with this download the free app. So we're gonna go ahead and do this first. It's a QR scanner. Air Solutions, pulls it up. There's the app, Repair Solutions 2. Got it. Downloading. Opening the app. Do we want to track our activities? No, we're not going to track my activities. What do I look like? We'll go ahead and sign in. Done. There's some disclaimers we've got to... You should read these. You should read all of this. Totally. I would not skip that at all. Okay, so let's pair our tool. So let's get out to the truck and check this out, and we'll do screen recording so you can see what it looks like on screen. So here we are under the truck. We're gonna go and plug it in, turn it over. We'll add power to the OBD2, and then we'll pair and see if we can get this running. So we have the Repair 2 app running. It's searching for the scan tool. It says that once it's plugged into the OBD2, it should automatically pair. It's got to find it. There it is. Dongle, scan tool, or connecting. This is easy. I'm not doing anything other than just connecting it. Tool's been paired successfully. We don't need to do a tutorial. Okay, confirm VIN. I didn't want to show you the process of confirming VIN. It actually connects to your camera. You got to have your camera connected. I walked around to the windshield, scanned the VIN. It took a second, and then it just connected to the truck. So there it is, 1998 Chevrolet S truck, S10. It ran the code. What do I got? One confirmed code, one pending code. Same code, PO143. Good. O2 sensor, circuit low voltage. It's because the exhaust it's straight piped. So that I'm not concerned about with the O2 code, but I just wanted to see if that was what it was going to find. So it's giving me causes and fixes. That's interesting. It shows the actual oxygen sensor that I would have to replace for this code. It actually looks like you can link it directly to Amazon. Yeah. Click to make sure it fits. That is awesome. That is really freaking cool. Let's see. Can we erase the codes through here? This is a lot more information than I'm used to seeing with a scan tool. Let's see. Erase codes. Cool. There was a lot more though in that main menu. Let's see, discovering vehicle. Let's run the full report. What all do we have? Looks like there's no codes. I just ran the one through just to see if the code had cleared. It's not ready for emissions testing, obviously. There's straight piped exhaust. After a pending code or vehicle emissions, catalytic converter. This is very detailed for what this is. And this is a very, very cost-effective OBD2 reading scan tool solution for what it does. Okay, so it's discovering the vehicle. Tire pressure sensors. Yeah, this is a 27-year-old truck. It doesn't have any TPSM. Body modules. What is it going to find here? Battery voltage. Transmission fluid temperature. There's a lot of stuff. Okay. Accelerator pedal position 1, circuit low. Oh, Jesus. I know what this is. If you've been following along on the truck, there was issues when we first bought it with the ignition key not matching the door keys, and we've swapped out keys, and there have been several times where we've accidentally put the door key into the ignition and it gets stuck. That's what those codes are. So we'll just go ahead and erase them. Those are BCM codes. Nice. There's a lot that this says it can do. Oil life, can't do the oil life or oil level. The truck's too old. Battery voltage, it's nice. Transmission fluid temp, it's cold. Yeah, 69.8 because it hasn't been running. Can't do tire pressure. What else do we have? Let's see. Battery test. Let's do. I'm interested on the battery test to see what exactly it does. Okay, it's in. Everything's fine here. It's in park. Turn on the headlights. It's gonna test the battery. Truck hasn't been run for a couple of weeks. Didn't take it to the show last weekend because the engine light was still on and I hadn't had time to test it. So I'm just curious. We kill batteries on this thing because of the stereo, and I'm in need of a new battery. I mean, it's running fine, but battery test condition, turn headlights off. Charge the battery before performing a test. That is not a good sign. All right. I'm impressed with tool is pretty damn cool for what it does. Bluetooth connects to your phone. It's giving me this much information off of 1998 S10. That is clearly positive. All right, that's it. Innova Car Scan Mobile Repair 2 Solutions OBD2 Reader, available on Amazon. This is the 1000. That's the model that we're testing. And I am impressed. This is really stupid, but I always mention the packaging. I'm a product designer by trade, so I see certain packaging and I dig it. This is a nice packaging, 5-color print. There is a matte and a gloss. Is that 6-color? It actually looks like it's 6-color printing. It just adds a level of quality to this thing for something that is literally not much at all. That is all it is. It is this tiny little itty bitty Bluetooth component that connects to your OBD2. If it did all of this for a 27-year-old project truck, 1998 Chevy S10, imagine what it can do for a newer vehicle. I am impressed. And then we'll just throw this in the glove box, and then that truck is taken care of if they're ever out to a show or on a big trip for something and we get an engine light. I know I'll be able to check it out pretty easily with my cell phone, and this doesn't take up much space. It's not like a big code reader with a cable and everything else in the car. Fantastic. Hope this information helped. If it did, make sure you subscribe here on the channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss when a video goes live. Appreciate this scanner. Check it out. The link is below on Amazon. It is cheap, it is high quality, and highly recommended. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams. In a world of games it seems.